think I'm just going to start by popping these wires off, because some of these have brass. Some of these are brass, and I'm going to be getting my melting pot together, and I'm going to cut off every piece of brass that I find like that, and I'm going to add it to a bucket until I get enough to where I can melt an ingot. Then I'll start removing some of this other stuff that I want. Like that. I want that for the silver contacts. Definitely want that for the silver contacts. So that goes in my box for scrapping later. Plus you can see all that brass that's on there. Get off. There's a good amount of brass on there too. So wires, brass, everything that I tear apart on this is going in one bucket to scrap out later. Throwing it all right there. Oh, it is, by the way, it is 75 or 77 degrees here right now. It's crazy. I got a friend. His name is Albert. His wife's name is Jamie. They could definitely use some prayers. They could use some prayers. Albert's not doing too good. And I've known Albert for a while. I'm going to figure out what this stuff's good for. Figure out what that's going for. That's just thread metal. I know I want that. There's some copper in there, I believe. What we got? Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice goodness right there. Copper goodness. Not sure if I should save all circuit boards or not, really. I haven't never saved them before. I have cremated that one pretty much. So it's probably not worth much. Yeah, I've cremated that thing. What else is on this thing? I don't think there's anything on there for wire-wise, so I'm going to go back down to the bottom. Start cutting my copper right here. Let's see what we got down here. I feel like my camera wants to turn over. Let's see if I can get rid of this. Oh yeah, look at that goodness. Goodness. What have we got here? There we go. I'll take the rest of that part probably inside. Got some brass here. Oh yeah. Real goodness right here. Look at that. Goodness. Yeah. Come on out that hole. There you go. Shred metal. Nice. Nice. These things come apart really easy. Alright, let's go around top of this thing, take this fan off. Let's take this fan off the top. So these sides will come loose. And we'll go from there. of copper goodness on there. Wow. Look at it. That is a lot of copper goodness. Start chopping. Best thing to do, buy you a set of these. Oh, look at there. Cut them off nice and tight over there. Close. Look at that. This stuff will come apart so fast. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. That goodness. Thing is peeling off of there. Peeling. How do you do that? Bring this over here. Oop, a little hole in there, whatever that is. Cut it down, it fits in the box. You can grab some more of it. Get that goodness right there. What? Yeah. I had to clean that up. Can't leave any copper on it. My yard, if you turn it in as brass, can't have any copper on it. I don't understand that, but that's the way they are, so gotta go by their rules. Sell brass with copper on it, it's dirty. Oh my God. Oh, so that took me a little bit to think about. This here is a piece of stainless steel. Add that to my stainless, although I don't get a lot of stainless. So I got a bucket over there that's been working on getting for a while. All right, what do we got left here? We do have more copper. Cut these nibs right off of there. There. That's good, that's good. Got some more down here at the bottom. Get some more copper here. Oh yeah. Right there. Look at that copper. Add that to my, take it apart later. Grab the rest of these wires. And get rid of this thing. Oh boy, that, oh, the size of that thing. My God. My word. Massive. Massive. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Keep it up. Keep it up. Beautiful. All right, what we got left? This. What we got left right there. And put these over here in the shred pile. These things are so quick to take apart. You got to do them. You got the right tools. You're so quick. Put that in your cast aluminum bucket. Get the whole bucket. This here, they're going to take out these little plastic pieces, but that's about 40 cents a pound, maybe 45 cents a pound, not too much. Already got that all done. So really all I need is this thing, I think. I got the right tool for that right here. Sure. Let's get rid of this bag. rid of the bag. No telling what you find in these things. Sometimes snake or whatever. Alright, every single time I've done any of these, it's always the same size, 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch socket. I've never really taken any apart that were any different. So if you get a 1/2 inch socket, pretty much get any of these that you want to. Very rarely do I find one that's any different size than that. And that's it. Got these wires to get out of here. Doing my wire bucket. Oh yeah, I got a lot of goodness right here, guys. Wow, a lot of goodness. It is everywhere. Yep. Still got another one in there, plus a couple A-frames. Yeah. This is just number one. All right. What's next? Well, I'll grab another one of them up there. Take it apart. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. That was a real quick teardown of this air conditioning unit. And I get these about every other week. I get 2, 3, 4. It's according to how busy you've been that week. So that's a blessing. And I'm gonna just come home and tear them apart like you just saw here. Scrap my grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? You know the deal. Ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video, and we'll see you on the next one. You never know what I may be working on. I got some goodness over here to tear apart, guys. I do have some goodness to tear apart. This is all my shred metal. This is all my everything that I have left to work on. So if you want to see them things get tore apart the best I can, stick around. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Gosh, my yard is looking so good.